So, you're in that emergency position where you need to create a character quickly, and you've decided to create a fighter. For the purpose of speed, I suggest creating a human. However, if you would like to create another race, on the screen you can see the ability score adjustments that you need to make. Okay, let's get on with it. First thing you need to determine are ability scores. Get 4d6, roll them 6 times, take away the lowest, add the rest. Ooh! Add the highest results into your primary attributes, so strength, constitution, and a runner-up, dexterity. The rest as you see fit. Next we add modifiers as detailed on the screen. Strength, dexterity and constitution are the 3 main modifiers we need to be looking at. Now we calculate our hit points. For a fighter we roll a d10, but for level 1 I suggest you use the full amount of 10 plus your constitution modifier. Now we need to equip our character. So for the fighter you roll 5d4 times by 10. That gives you the amount of gold that you're allowed to spend. And what to buy? I suggest chainmail, a shield, a longsword, a 10-foot pole, rations, a tinderbox and some torches, and whatever else you want to bung in there. To calculate your armour class, you look at the armour class table in the player's handbook, but for now, for chainmail and a shield, you get an armour class of 4 and take away your dexterity bonus if you have one. So the lower the armour class number, the better it is. The closer to 0, the better it is. Here you can see a list of the armours you can buy, and next to that the armour class rating for each one, should you decide to buy something different than chainmail and a shield. When you attack, you add your strength modifier to the d20 roll. When you roll for damage, your longsword does 1 to 8 damage plus the strength modifier. If you're attacking a large creature, you get to roll a d12 for damage plus your strength modifier. Now all you need to do is give your character a backstory and a description and you're good to go. On the next emergency AD&D, I'm going to show you how to create a cleric quickly. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.